Hi students, today we shall see OC and SC test on a single phase transformer. This is single phase transformer, its rating is 2 kVA and it has two sides, one is primary side and another one is secondary side. The primary side voltage is 115 volts and secondary side voltage is 230 volts. These two are the connections we have to make. Now this side is being open, so we are conducting an open circuit test. This is a single phase variac or an auto transformer by which we apply the voltage. Okay, here the voltage applied is 115 volts. We have to apply 115 volts, that is primary side, and we have to take the readings of ammeter and wattmeter. This wattmeter is an LPF wattmeter, that is low power factor meter, which is being connected in order to measure the wattage. Here the wattage, that is nothing but the power achieved here is nothing but iron losses. This OC test or open circuit test is being conducted on a single phase transformer to calculate the iron losses. So the iron losses are being measured. You can see here the circuit diagram is like this. Phase and neutral, it is being given to the single phase variac, and the ammeter and the voltmeter are kept across the transformer to measure the voltmeter reading and ammeter reading. Here whatever we apply this type of test, OC test, we apply rated voltage is applied, so only 115 volts is applied. And coming to here, this is SC test. Okay, in an SC test we will also use same old single phase variac, but here whatever the meter that is used here is UPF. Yes, that is unity power factor meter. Here we apply rated current. For applying rated current, the rating of the transformer is 2 kVA. So this is power, and whatever the current we have to measure, so we have the voltage at the secondary side, that is 230 volts. So for finding out current, we will take P by V, that is 2 into 10 power 3 by 230 volts. We will achieve 8.69 amperes. This much of the current is to be applied from the short circuit side of the transformer. So this is another 2 kVA transformer I have taken for you for the SC test, that is short circuit test. You can see here the primary side is being made short circuit and the secondary side 230 volts we have been taken, and we will be applying the supply with the help of this single phase variac, and we apply here 8.69 amperes. Okay students, we shall start this OC test now. Okay, I am switching on the single phase variac. Okay, I am applying single phase variac. By using single phase variac, by rotating this single phase variac, I am applying the voltage until 115 volts. 115 volts, you can see here 115 is to be achieved. Okay, always remember in the when you are seeing from the top side of the view, the mirror and the needle must be same. So what happens, there must not be any parallax error. So whatever the reading we got, we have to note it down. Okay students, okay, the reading here is the voltage applied is 115 volts, and the current reading you have to see, that is correctly 0.58. okay, and the wattmeter reading is 9. Okay, here it is about 9 and 9.4 or 9.5 like that. Okay, you have to remember we have a multiplication factor here. So the wattmeter we connected is 150, and we have to check the connections, that is B1 E2 and B2 E1 is connected here. So when we consider this B1 E2 and B2 E1, it is 2 amperes. So it is 2 amperes means the multiplication factor, we have to check how much of the voltage we have connected. We have connected to 150 volts. So if the it is 2 amperes, and if it is 2 amperes and if it is 150, the multiplication factor is 2. Dear students, it is 2. So whatever the reading we got, that must be multiplied by 2. Similarly, we have to check for the voltmeter. The voltmeter is connected to 150, so the scale is about 150 students, so we need not to have any multiplication factor here. Similarly, when we connect this to 1, okay, it is 1, okay. So whatever the reading we got, that is the accurate reading. Need not to have any type of multiplication factors there. Okay, this is about the OC test. Okay students, I am again decreasing this voltage. I am switching off this. Okay, now coming to the SC test. Okay, I am making on this SC test. Okay, now I am applying here rated current. Okay, with the help of this single phase variac, I am applying 8.69 accurately. Okay, 8 point okay, around 6, okay, 69. So you have to note down the reading here. This is around 23 and 24 in between, and it is around here, that is 23 point some 8. Okay, I think 23 point some 8. I will write 23.8, and the applied current is 8.69. The reading here we got is around okay, it is about 150, and here it is 180 in between. So what happens, we will take around each one 20, so it is around 180. Okay, so 180, any here also we have given 150, but the connection here is B1 B2. Okay, this one is B1 B2. So here you can check it out for B1 B2. For B1 and B2, we have 10 amperes, and for 10 amperes, and it is given to the 150, the multiplication factor is just 1. Okay, so no need to multiply here, the reading is directly taken, that is 180. Okay, no multiplication factor is required. Okay, after these readings, we have to calculate each and every calculations from the OC test and SC test. And always remember, the multiplication factor or a transformer ratio is being taken as 1. Okay, multiplication ratio or factor ratio is taken as 1, but we will be considering that according to this, actually it will be 1, but what happens, we have taken single phase transformer, the ratio will be 230 by 115 volts. So here we got 2, so the transformer ratio is 2, K is equals to 2. Okay, you have to consider here, whenever you have to multiply this, we have to take this transformer ratio as 2. Generally it will be most probably 1 for a normal transformer. Okay, here we have step up transformer. Okay students, I am reducing this again to back position. I am switching off this transformer. Okay, hope all are safe. Thank you. This is about OC and SC test on a single phase transformer.